Let's get into this natural twist look using darling natural twist hair. This style is perfect if you want something soft, full, and very natural looking. We start by prepping the hair, making sure it's clean, well moisturized, and stretched. This is very important because it helps the style come out neat and reduce tension on the scalp. Next, we move to the front. We create clean cornrows. This can be straight back or slightly curved depending on the look you're looking for. The goal here is to frame the face nicely. For the back, we left the hair out and lightly braid it to create a base. Then we install the darning natural twist hair using the crochet method. Now let's talk about the hair. Darning natural twist is super soft, lightweight, and gives the natural afro texture. It blends really well, especially for clients who want fuller, more realistic look without too much manipulation. Once installed, we fluffed and shaped the hair to achieve the rounded afro finish. This step really brings the whole look together. To finish, we laid the edges, added a bit of shine, and adjusted the shape for volume. This style is low tension, beginner friendly, and perfect for clients who want something protective but still very stylish.